Samsung Galaxy Note 8 Battery Replacement Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 phone. Eject the SIM card and microSD card tray. Smoothly remove the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 S Pen. The Galaxy Note 8 rear glass panel is glued on solidly. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the sticky adhesive and carefully crack open the Note 8. You'll need to detach the very short fingerprint sensor cable from the motherboard before completely moving the glass out of the way. Use the spudger to help free the Galaxy Note 8 fingerprint reader from the adhesive, securing it to the rear panel. Remove the following 16 Phillips screws. Pry up the mid-frame, NFC antenna, and key wireless charging coil combo. With the maxed out mid-frame out of the way, easily lift out the bottom loudspeaker assembly. Disconnect the Note 8 battery cable from the motherboard. The Samsung SDI-made battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use the spudger to dig it free from the adhesive securing it to the phone. After a brief struggle, out comes the 3.85-volt 3300 mAh Samsung Galaxy Note 8 battery. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.